Hello there, welcome to Kinesso GROW Week 2022. We are so excited that you have joined us for this amazing week of learning.
Hello, welcome to the Kinesso General Information Area.
Hi, and welcome to the Axiom Elevator Speech section of the Intelligence Hack. I'm Mary Schlafly. I'm in New Logo.
Well, hello there. Did you know that we have a marketing intelligence engine training hub on the Learn website with tons of great courses and resources on topics like audience, planning, activation and reporting? If you click on the video screen behind me, you can watch a brief intro video.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to define the Marketing Intelligence Engine, or MIE, list a suite of applications within MIE, and summarize each application's function.
The next iteration of mobile devices will be that we actually go a little retro.
I think the next iteration of mobile phones may not even be mobile phones. It could be something like more wearable tech, where it's like glasses.
At Kinesso, our company's success is underpinned by our ability to collaborate, innovate, and grow as a team. We firmly believe we are better together. We know that our talent is our greatest asset. And we're excited for you to help shape and strengthen our identity.
At Kinesso, we are who we are because of our values, our living algorithm, the core beliefs that make us us. We are defined by truth.